All right, we're here in the carriage house working on the bumpkin and the bowsprit for the 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory. We just cut these out of spruce. It's pretty white. I tried the varnish and see if it darkened a little bit. It didn't. So I sanded off the first little coat of varnish. And we're using some Minwax penetrating stain. This is a red cherry color. It matches up pretty close to what's on our lugger as far as the spars there. We're going to do all the spars with this. We'll put a coat of stain, probably a couple coats, let it soak in, and then we'll take the varnish and get that what I do. First coat, I put it on pretty liberal. Spend a little bit of time watching it and making sure it doesn't run all over the place. But we're going to be coming back. You can sand as needed or restain an area as needed. These little runs there, not worrying about those because we're getting ready to flip it and do that other side anyway. So this is a pretty simple operation. You just pick colors that you like, and then once you get used to the color and you know how it's going to work with certain types of wood, you just go back and get that color each time for whatever you want. This is what we put on our sunfish rudders that we sand down. Gives it this nice finish. And then we let it dry for about 8 hours or so, and then we'll just flip it over, get the first side. The first coat's usually my messy coat, and then we'll start working on a finish coat and do a third coat if needed to get everything darkened up the same. But the spruce is taking it pretty good. The bumpkin's the one on the right. It's soaking in pretty even, and we'll finish up on this bowsprit. And we're hoping y'all have a great night.